In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your gender in your profile settings. If you want your profile to reflect the way you identify, updating your gender is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the process clearly, and I'll share helpful context so you know exactly what to expect at each stage. First, go to your About section. This is the part of your profile that summarizes your key details. You'll usually find it by opening your profile and looking for a tab or link labeled About. If you're on a phone or tablet, it might be tucked under a menu. On a computer, it's often visible near the top of your profile. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right place before moving on. Next, scroll down to the Gender section. If you haven't said anything before, it will likely say Not Specified. That simply means no gender has been added yet. Keep scrolling until you spot the gender row so you're editing the correct field. Now, click Edit beside it. The Edit option may look like a pencil icon or a small link next to the gender label. Clicking Edit opens a small panel or window where you can make changes. If the button doesn't respond, give the page a second to load or refresh and try again. Once the editor is open, select the gender you want to add. Depending on the platform, you may see a list of common options or a field to choose from a broader set of terms. Pick the option that best represents you. If there's a description or note explaining how this information is used, it's worth reading so you understand how it might appear on your profile. Finally, click Save. This step confirms your choice and updates your profile. After saving, look back at the Gender section to make sure your selection is showing correctly. If it still says Not Specified, wait a moment and refresh the page to confirm the change took effect. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same place and update it again using the exact steps we just covered. That's all there is to it. By going to your About section, scrolling to Gender, clicking Edit, choosing the option that fits you, and hitting Save, you can keep your profile up to date with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, feel free to replay any part as you make your changes.